As soon as you arrive at this property, you will feel at home. The low-maintenance brick exterior and welcoming outdoor spaces make for A+ curb appeal, and that is just the beginning. This 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has a new HVAC and a newer roof, giving you a property that blends both charm and practicality perfectly. Spacious living areas and a great kitchen round out the interior of this special home that is just waiting for you to make it your own. The lovely, established neighborhood offers a pool and other amenities to give you that warm sense of community while still putting you only minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment. What could be better? Make your appointment today to see this precious home in the much sought-after Hixson area. It won't last, so don't miss out.